What makes an onside kick legal or illegal in college football? Imagine a game where every second counts and a single kick could change the outcome. That's why understanding the rules behind onside kicks is so important. Let's break down what makes an onside kick legal or illegal in college football. First, the kick must come from a proper starting point. The ball is kicked from the team's restraining line, which is usually the 35-yard line. The kick has to be made legally from this spot and between the two hash marks on the field. This ensures the kick is fair and follows the rules for the game. Next, player positioning is key. When the ball is kicked, all players on the kicking team except the kicker must be no more than 5 yards behind the restraining line. If any player is further back and the ball is kicked, that's an illegal formation. This rule keeps the game fair and prevents teams from gaining an unfair advantage. Another important rule is how far the ball must travel. The ball has to go at least 10 yards from where it was kicked before the kicking team can touch it. If the receiving team touches the ball first, the kicking team can recover it after it travels 10 yards. This rule stops the kicking team from grabbing the ball immediately after the kick without giving the receiving team a chance to recover. The ball must be kicked, not thrown or carried. If the ball is kicked and travels the required 10 yards or is touched first by the receiving team, the kicking team can try to recover it. If the ball goes out of bounds and touched by the receiving team, the kicking team gets penalized 5 yards and loses the chance to recover the ball. The kicker cannot be offside when making the kick. This means the kicker's plant foot can be ahead of the ball, which is allowed, but other players must not cross the restraining line before the ball is kicked. Crossing early makes the kick illegal. Finally, any illegal movement or formation makes the kick illegal. For example, if players are too far behind the restraining line, or if they form an illegal wedge outside of the normal onside kick setup, the kick is not allowed. If any of these rules are broken, the onside kick is called illegal. The result is a 5-yard penalty from the spot of the next play and the loss of the chance to recover the ball. Teams often use onside kicks late in games to quickly regain possession, but they must follow these rules carefully. In summary, an onside kick is legal when it's kicked from the right spot, with proper formation, travels at least 10 yards before the kicking team touches it, and all players are in the correct position. Any mistake or rule violation makes the kick illegal and can cost the team dearly.